guy was mad. These guys were fighting.
Yeah, because they have the pole.
Yep. And this guy has a chopper.
Oh, yeah, the axe.
With the axe. Doesn't have an axe.
What's on that page?
This guy, this girl is bad of her.
She's bad?
Yep.
Why?
Because I don't like this girl going on this guy.
Why not?
I don't.
Maybe that guy likes it.
You don't think so? He's mad.
Oh, he's mad? Why?
Because the girl's on her. The girl is on him. So, this weekend there was bridges.
Oh, yeah.
And this guy was strong and big, like this big. Hey, Mom?
Yeah. He's big, like that big.
Yeah. He's big like that. So handsome. There's not a girl on him now.
There's not a girl on him now, yeah.
No.
He's happier now then?
Yes. Happy now. Happy. This guy. Yes. Yeah. This guy was mad that he got this. Yeah, he knows power.
Oh.
Right there.
Those people are happy.
Mm-hmm. They are happy. One more page left. This becomes again the people on him. And he doesn't even have a mouth now.
He doesn't have a mouth now?
No.
Uh-oh.
Because these guys are on him.
Uh-oh.
But they're orange guy. One page.
Oh, that's the end.
Yep, the end. The
Very,
end.
very good.